secret that jobs and tenure and prestige and grant funding depend on the papers, on the journals that you publish in and their impact factor. And to repeat what Richard said, I don't think that we're advocating a replacement for the impact factor, but being scientists, it strikes me that it's usually better to have more data and multiple data points that we can then correlate and see, is there maybe gaming, or is there, say, a hidden gem that you otherwise wouldn't have found? And I'm not a scientometrician by trade, so I wouldn't be proposing, a new type of metric that relies on, say, some algorithms or formula, and say, okay, this is now a better measure than the impact factor. What I'm trying to say is that I think we can get additional information that is more open, more transparent, and faster, and more readily available, and more encompassing than citation-based metrics. Yes.
I mean, it seems to me, if I'm correct, what you're saying is effectively let there be a proliferation of metrics and then allow people to triangulate. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And that seems reasonable. If you see something's been downloaded twice and cited 500 times, that might tell you something. If you see something that's been downloaded 500 times and cited once, that might tell you something. But it probably tells you more, either of those situations, than just having one or the other.
The curse and the beauty of being in this game is that you're dealing with very smart people who will find a way of gaming things. So basically you have to be transparent and you have to make everything available.
Yes.
Yeah. Aren't you in danger of sort of confusing two different measurements here? One side, and I take some of your points about how important an article is, what impact it's had in the scientific